How to remove your cards from Prizepicks. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can remove your card from your Prizepicks account. So, as you can see, I'm on this article right over here. So if I scroll down there, you'll see the question called how do I remove or replace payment methods associated with my Prizepicks account. So let's say you have associated your card as your payment method on your Prizepicks account and now you want to remove your card. So it simply states that you can remove a payment method after 60 days have passed since your first deposit using that payment method. So if you have added your payment method, meaning your card yesterday, you'll have to wait another 59 days before you can remove that payment method. So you'll have to basically wait 60 days after you've added that payment method. Now once you've done that, in order to remove it, all you have to do is basically log into your account and then tap on the deposit button, which will be on the top right corner of your screen. After that, once you're on the deposit page, you will see a trash can icon. Simply click on it and then click the icon to remove the payment method. So it will basically show you the list of all of the different payment methods you have on your Prizepick account. Simply choose your card, and once you've done that, you will be able to remove your card from your Prizepicks account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.